This is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to claim the Tupperware warranty. Visit our official website to learn about the Tupperware warranty claim procedure in 3 simple steps. Claiming a warranty with Tupperware is straightforward. First, read all the instructions provided in the 3 steps. By doing so, you will gain a better understanding of the claiming process. Next, find the contact information provided below the instructions. Tupperware's customer support can be reached via phone at 800-887-7379 or by email. Navigate to the bottom of the official Tupperware website to access the Customer Service Center. On the contact page www.tupperware.com, you have the option to reach them through the provided form, phone, live chat, or email. Customer support is available on weekdays from 8:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. EST. They will request you to return your defective product. Once they receive and inspect the defective item, they will send you the replacement. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too.